Hello students, this lecture is based on nomenclature of alcohols. While naming the alcohols, we should identify the following things. Now first one is parent chain, we called it as an longest hydrocarbon. Means we need to identify the longest hydrocarbon present in that compound. Now second one is principal functional group present in that compound and it is called as a suffix. And now last one is if there is any substituent present and what is its position. So we need to identify the three things while naming the alcohols. Now there are two systems while naming the alcohols. Now first one is common name, and in common name we write it as an alkyl alcohol, and in IUPAC name we write it as an alkanol. Okay, now let us explain with some examples. The first one is we are having CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. Okay, so here I selected this as an longest continuous chain. Okay, the second one is I need to identify the alkyl group present in that compound, because while writing the common name I should write it as an alkyl alcohol. Now in this case there are three carbon atoms, so name of the alkyl group is simply propyl and followed by the word alcohol, because as per our rules we write common name as an alkyl alcohol. So in this case alkyl group is propyl and followed by the word alcohols. So we write common name it as an propyl alcohol. Now next one is IUPAC name. Now as we know IUPAC name write as an alkanol. Okay, means we need to identify the presence of alkane in this compound. So as there are three carbon atoms 1, 2, 3, so parent alkane is simply propane, but this propane we write it as an alkanol manner, means we write it as an propanol. Okay, now this is a simple rule to write the IUPAC name. Now let us take some more examples. Now we are having CH3, CHOH, CH3. Okay, we are thinking about the common name. Okay, so while writing the common name, first thing is we need to identify the alkyl group present in the compound. Now this is the alkyl group CH3, CH, CH3. Okay, now what is the name of this alkyl group? As there are three carbon atoms present 1, 2, 3, so it is propyl. But it's not a simple propyl, we call it as an isopropyl because this carbon contains CH3 as a branching. Okay, so in this case the name of alkyl group is isopropyl followed by the word alcohol. Okay, so simple common name is what, students? Propyl, isopropyl alcohol. Now next is think about IUPAC name. Okay, we write it as an alkanol manner. So as there are three carbon atoms, okay, so one is propane, but while we are having branching in this compound, okay, while writing the name of the alcohols in branching compounds, so we need to just numbering the compound first thing. Okay, and second one is identify the substituent if there is any presence and now its position. Okay, now I can numbered here from this side, means 1, 2, 3. Okay, we can number from this side also 1, 2, 3. Okay, both will get same. So 1, 2, 3, as second numbered carbon is attached by OH group, and as there are three carbon atoms, so we write IUPAC name as an propane 2-ol. As there are three carbon atoms, so simply we write it as an propane, and according to our IUPAC rule we write it as an alkanol manner. Okay, but in this case now this OH is attached to this second number carbon, so that's why we write here as an propane 2-ol. Suppose we are writing propane or 2-propanol, it's also right, but whenever we are having options propane 2-ol as well as 2-propanol, Now in this case, propane 2-ol is the correct answer. Okay. Go for next one. CS3, CHOH, CS2, CS3. Again in this case, the alkyl group is what, students? As there are 4 carbon atoms, so simply it is butyl. But think about the OH is attached to the type of carbon atom. Now as this carbon is attached by another 2 carbon atoms, 1 and 2nd, so this type of carbon atom is secondary, and the OH is attached to secondary carbon atom. So simply we called it as an secondary butyl, and as usual the word we are writing alcohol. Okay, so common name of this compound is secondary butyl alcohol. And what about IUPAC name? Again we need to number the compound. Okay, so we are numbering this compound from this side because it is nearest to this functional group. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, suppose you are doing or you are numbering from this side, it's wrong because this OH is nearest to this side. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4, as there are 4 carbon atoms, so now parent alkane is what, students? Simply it's butane. Okay, as per our rules we are writing it as an alkanol manner, so we simply write it as an butanol. But in this case also, students, the OH is attached to second number position, so that's why we are writing here butane 2-ol. Now next one is CS3CH, CS3CH2OH. Again just find out the name of the alkyl groups. As there are 4 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4, so simply it's what, students? Butyl. But again the second number is branching with the CS3, so it's an isobutyl alcohol. So common name of this compound is isobutyl alcohol. Okay, and what is the IUPAC name? Okay, we just need to number. Okay, so numbering should be start from this carbon because this is nearest to the OH. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, as the second carbon is attached by this CS3 group, we called it as an methyl. Now so this prefix we write it as an 2-methyl, and now parent alkane is 1, 2, 3, so it's propane, so we write it as an propane, but the OH is attached to 1 number carbon atom, so we are writing here propane 1-ol. Understood, students? Okay, now next one is we are having CS3OH. Now this one is tertiary butyl. Okay, name of this alkyl group is tertiary butyl, and there is in presence of OH, so simply we called it as a tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol. Okay, now what about the common name? Select it's about common name. What about the IUPAC name? Now select the longest continuous chain. First thing, number the compound and identify if any there is a presence of we called as substituents, and identify its position. Okay, so we can number this compound as an 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3, or we can also number it as an 1, 2, 3. So here I will number it as an 1, 2, 3 because it seems somewhat straight chain. Okay, so as again this second carbon is attached by this methyl, that is substituent methyl group, so simply I write here prefix as an 2-methyl. And now what about the parent chain? Now there is a presence of 1, 2, 3, so parent is what, students? Propane. But we can write propane as a propanol, but the OH is attached to again second number carbon atom, so we can write here it as a propane to all. So very simple rules to identify the name of the compounds in common name as well as IUPAC name. Okay, now this is about students nomenclature of alcohols. In next lecture we'll see about the nomenclature of phenols. Thank you students.